have finally started working on robotics once again, but I am also looking at computer vision. So since I am working on computer vision, I was also trying to understand how the camera perceives the reality that we see. So this is the setup that you've already seen before, but I'm trying to ensure that Maya, that is currently occupying this car, and the vision that she can have from this very simple camera is understood perfectly like the way I see it. So I'm learning computer vision from the scratch all over again so that I understand the fundamentals better. But I want to show you something new that I've been working on. It's going to be a lot of fun. So you can just assume that your computer is a newborn. So it's like a real baby, a child, an infant that is looking at things. So you can see that there's one mode where you can detect the blobs and everything. And then you obviously can try to understand what you're seeing on the right hand side. So basically on the left side you can see that the computer is trying to look at objects and trying to understand what the target is. So wherever the light is falling, it's trying to understand that. But the point that I want you to notice is on the right hand side. The left hand side is showing all the targets, the right hand side is showing where the light falls. So I have my window here. So since light falls, the camera understands that there is something here. But the side where the light is not that prominent, it assumes that it's invisible. So there is fundamentally nothing there, it's just dark, right? But when I switch modes and I show you something unique, you will start noticing that now the camera perceives it a little more similarly, and at the same time you'll see that this bottom portion is showing the lines, right? So now the computer stops looking at light entirely and it's trying to perceive how robots would find doors. That's at the back of me. And it tries to look at various objects. So even if I bring up this car, you'll notice how it starts perceiving the car. You can see the lines that are forming, right? It's essentially mapping what it is seeing. So pretty cool. This is not AI yet, but it's just pure geometry, it's just the computer is just mapping pure geometry. So that's what I wanted to show today.